Heaven Mestein by Joseph Danitti, designer shoes and accessories for men and boys. Lass mal da checking in the nice store in Borough Park. Shalom Aleichem, Ushi. Shalom Aleichem, how are you? This is get a clipper of the Michael, huh? This is on your brand new store over here.
Yeah, Baruch Hashem.
So this store is schon in a pool locations around the USA?
This is location number 6.
Location number 6.
Ja, so is do Muncie, some in Baltimore, Passaic, North New Jersey, North Lakewood, South Lakewood, and Borough Park, number 6.
So the only Borough Park that goes. Lama the we stayed in Borough Park and we didn't move to Lakewood and Muncie. We don't get Joseph Danitti. All right, so let me hear the Olim got Michigan, but they might in Lakewood, in Muncie, Baltimore. The Olim going crazy over it.
Baruch Hashem, thousands of people don't stop coming back.
So let's hear a little about the store.
So we make it ourselves. This is a company, Baruch Hashem.
Yiddish was verkauft du dein Brand.
Our company.
So nice.
So the house do Joseph Danitti brand.
Okay.
And so haben slip-ons, laces, buckles, Bucherim, Kinder, Tatas, Ingelad, Zeides, and so haben alles.
Nice.
We have it all styles. And so haben auch gedo, and so haben J. Maslio brand. This is schon the higher end brand. Auch it. Unbelievable.
The shoes look gorgeous. Wow, I love it. So it's your brand, you only sell your brand, you back your brand. So when I come around and I kauft it's not like a kauft from a third party item.
No.
This is your brand.
We take full responsibility, we back it, we know what we're selling. Wir verkaufen nicht jenems, ich weiß nicht, was mich verkauft, dass es geht, so ich sag dich, dass es geht.
This is damn brand.
We're telling you it's good, it's because we know it. We manufacture it, we test it.
We manufacture
this machen this in Turkey. This machen wir in Turkey, but we're constantly back and forth in Italy with the suppliers, with the companies for styles, the latest, everything. We always have to be up to date. Man darf alles zustellen, 100%. So, Baruch Hashem, this is what we have here.
Wow.
We have hundreds of styles.
Unbelievable. Give a kick. Oshi, I'm gesagt, a good word. Auf sich kommen, der kennen ein Mensch, you can tell a person on the shoes.
1,000,000%.
Ich frage du, als du ein Stock stich, ein halber Schicht, musst du diese Sorte, was geht jede Frau zu nach dem Tisch. Verpasst kein Tisch.
Kann einfach nicht.
Die Schicht ist mehr als ein geht zum Botte. Ein Botte am Mula, wo geht jetzt ein Botte. Wenn man geht zu dir, sagt du hat mir am sagen, this is a 5'10" junger Mann. Das ist ein Schicht. This is more of a guy who left Coil already. Schon angegangen sein erster Job, Arbeit, cash advance maybe, meat boards every Shabbos.
Definitely
a little more.
Yeah.
Was das middle-aged, 35 years. Hat a job, is settled. Geht schon an dem, was hast du? Das ist schon von der, macht schon Chasna Kinder. Erlaubt sich sogar ein bisschen mehr comfortable. He gets a little more comfortable shoes. He's making Chasna's kids already. Schon an Seite. This is more for the Bucher. The Bucher is, lernt musst man Shir Dalid. He's just going to take this through. He has a nice shoe. So, lass mich verstehen. Du hast Bucherim, Tates, Kinder.
All ages.
Alles.
Okay, so Chaim, lass mich dich weisen, some do for the Kinderschicht. We have here, you're talking about Kinder. You have all styles, so wie der, was will Chasna machen schon. Kennt schon mal Chasna machen. You have all the styles, all the sizes here.
The mom is for kleine Kinder, 6-7-year-old kids.
Definitely. You have all styles.
So nice. So, sucht der Tate, Kinder, kommen seine ganze Versprochen and buy for the Gimel Yingel, the 3rd, 4th grader, a pair of shoes for the Bucher, a pair of shoes, and for himself a pair of shoes. Unreal. I like the store. It's a nice, it's gross, it's bequem, it's clean, it's eerie, it's archove, stipulatie. Oshi, last but not least, what is the price range? If I shich is auf Zaira Sach letztens, in the Olim, it's expensive. What's your price range over here?
So, Baruch Hashem, one of the things was stellen sich sehr scheint sie, and eine von the models that we manufacture on our own is even those do inflation, so do tariffs, alle Sachen, stellen sich die mit sehr scheine prices.
Legit, das heißt, even though it's a high brand, super quality.
High end, very good quality, all styles, all sizes, we have very, very good pricing.
Yeah, this looks like a good price. Everybody says we have best price. What's the price? Is it $125, $150?
No, so the Joseph Danitti brand is $100 range.
$100 range?
$100 range.
That's amazing.
And then the higher end, the J. Maslio, is the $175 range.
This is not normal. So you're able to keep the prices all the way down because it's your company, you manufacture it.
Everything is done in-house.
That's amazing. What's your days?
So they since manufacturing airlines auch, it's hub accessories and some do beautiful wallets. This and some andere styles.
Cufflinks auch jetzt?
We have noch cufflinks.
So you guys go out of the box.
Over there and have noch belts that we manufacture on our own.
No way.
We also have a line of socks. We also have other accessories.
So you go all out there, not just shoes. You don't stop by shoes.
Nah, mechanisch. So we're here to stellen to the community, you know?
Socks, beautiful line of socks.
So the line thermal, this isn't the line. Some do a bunch of companies' belts. These we manufacture on our own.
Shine the belts.
This is the J Mazio line. This is beautiful, tough leather. It's insane. It's amazing.
Schleikes versteht sich.
Avade,
Von dem ist gar nicht Schleikes, du. Amazing, wow. Oshi, thank you so much for opening the store here in Brooklyn. Joseph Danitti, episode mal gedacht, du episode was the only one gewollt. What's the Perlowitz promotion hand?
So, to be honest, I think in some Perlowitz promotion for every customer all year round. Khamaina's $100 range for an amazing shoe is the best you're gonna get anywhere.
You're right. You should know you're right.
And it's for every customer this. We can mention Perlowitz, nothing's gonna happen if you don't, you're still gonna get our price.
Beautiful. Kevin, $100 for such a pair of a beautiful pair of shoes. Joseph Danitti is a Perlowitz promotion all year round. Every shoe, every customer, Kevin. Shkoich Oshi, and hats ma lechting to.